Hello, praised be Jesus and Mary. For today's session, I am going to teach you on how to read a tape measure. So here it is. Okay, it's a Taylor's tape measure. So there are two systems of measurement in taking body measurement. So the English and the metric system. So the English system's basic unit is in an inches. So here, inches, okay? And then while the metric system uses a centimeter. So here at the back, okay? Oops. So let me show you on how to read this tape measure, okay? So I have here a tape measure. In the English system, an inch has 8 equal parts. So let's count if it's really 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's 8. So the first line, this one, the first line is read as 1/8 or 1/8. Then the second line is 2/8 or 1/4. Then the third line is 3/8. Then the fourth line is 4/8. Then the fifth line is 5/8. Then the sixth line is 6/8. Then the seventh line is 7/8. And then the eighth line is 8/8 or 1 inch. So example, the shoulder measurement is 14 inches. So where is 14 inches? So here, 14 inches and 5 lines. So 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the fifth line. So it is read as 14 and 5/8 inches. So another example is the waist measurement is 24. Okay, 24 and 3 lines of an inch. 24. So here, 24 and 3 lines. Okay, so 24. So 1, 2, 3. So it is read as 24 and 3/8 inches. Okay. So next is metric system. So in the metric system, the unit of measurement is centimeter. So it has 10 equal parts. So let's count. So let's start here. Visible part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 lines or 10 millimeters equivalent to 1 centimeter. So example, a shoulder measures 32 centimeters and 3 millimeters. So 32 and 3 millimeters. So 32, 1, 2, 3. So here it is. So it is read as 32.3 centimeters. So another example is breast measurement is 76 centimeters and 5 millimeters. So 76 and 5 millimeters. Okay, 76. So here, 76 and 5 millimeters. So here. So it is read as 76.5 centimeters or 76 and 1/2 centimeters. So the equivalent inches for that, so just turn that. So it will be 30 inches. Okay?